Hi there, you're still watching MX24. My name is Benedict. It's time to update you in the world of sports. Now, in our very first story, Asante Kotoko are close to sealing a partnership deal with an unnamed English Premier League side. This is according to club's CEO Nana Yao Amponsan. Well, at the unveiling yesterday of the new management team in Kumasi, Nana Amponsan disclosed that a deal is 90% done, assuring fans that the partnership will be beneficial to the Pokpan Warriors. And these are quotes from him. He says, "We are 90% through signing a partnership deal with an English Premier League side. We want to plug our club in them so we can have the replica, if not the same, of everything they have." This are quotes from Nana Amponsan. And we still stay with issues of the local scene. And Mohamed Kudus has only been in Amsterdam for only 2 months, yet the 20-year-old seems to feel completely at base at his new environment. Now, the midfielder made his official debut against RKC Warwick and was immediately crowned king of the match. Kudus looks back on last Sunday's game. And the young Kudus Mohamed is making Ghana proud in the Dutch Eredivisie. So he now plays club football for Ajax, and he was crowned king of the match on his debut. That was on last Sunday. Well, let's still stay in Europe. And late goals from Marcus Rashford and Mason Greenwood helped in much-changed Manchester United overcome Luton Town 3-0 at the Kenilworth Road to reach the next stage of the Carabao Cup. So Manchester United are through to the fourth round of the English Carabao Cup. We'll see how that will go. But we still stay in Europe and update you on some transfer news. And Juventus have completed a loan deal with Atletico Madrid to bring striker Alvaro Morata back to the club. Now, the 27-year-old has signed until the end of 2020-21, but the Italian champions Juventus have the option to extend the loan by 12 months or buy him for a pre-agreed fee. Morata is back at Juventus, so we'll see him in the Italian Serie A. Well, this weekend we'll see how it will go for him as he returns to the Serie A to play for Juventus. Well, let's move on and to our very final story. The Denver Nuggets saw off a final quarter surge from the Los Angeles Lakers to win 114-106 in the Western Conference Finals in Florida. Now, the Nuggets now trail 2-1 in the best-of-7 series after Jamal Murray scored 28 points and Jeremy Grant scored 26. That note, we end sports here on MX24. My name is Benedict. So thanks so much for your company. Keep watching MX24. This is MS Breaks. We are back same time tomorrow with more sports. Until then, take care.